Installing with 3-point vehicle safety belt. Place the child car seat onto the vehicle seat, with the backrest up against the vehicle seat backrest. Place your child inside the car seat with his back correctly placed against the backrest. Adjust the height and width of the child car seat. Insert the diagonal part of the car seat belt through the red diagonal belt guide, checking that the belt guide open-close button is firmly closed. You must be able to see the white reference line. Insert the vehicle safety belt through the red lap belt guides under the 2 armrests and connect it. Tighten the safety belt straps as necessary. To remove the child from the car seat, press the button of the buckle and release the car safety belt, guiding it as it retracts. The child car seat has 2 inserts, one on the right and one on the left of the side of the seat where you can fit the cup holder. Insert the cup holder into the relative guide. Press the cup holder downwards until it clicks into place. Adjusting the child car seat. The car seat backrest can be adjusted to 10 different height positions. Press and hold the lever on the rear of the headrest. Raise or lower the backrest to the desired position, checking that the diagonal belt loop is positioned at a maximum of 2 cm above the child's shoulder. The width of the backrest can also be adjusted on this car seat. To do so, rotate the visible wheel on the headrest. The backrest and the seat can also be reclined to 4 different positions. Grasp hold of the front section of the seat and pull it towards you. Removing the cover. To remove the fabric cover, it is necessary to raise the backrest and widen the side flaps. Remove the fabric lining of the side flaps, pulling off all Velcro fasteners. Remove the fabric lining of the backrest, working from the button upwards and the headrest, undoing any elastic fasteners found behind the backrest. Open the Velcro fastener on the back of the seat. Pull the fabric cover so the elastic is taut, then remove it from the lap belt loop on both sides. Pull the central protection upwards, releasing the toothed fixtures from their seats. Pull the cover up over the armrests and remove it. Remove the fabric lining of the seat, pulling it from the triangular plastic reinforcement upwards.